Hi everyone, so today I filmed a video of my makeup that I'm going to be wearing to a 25th birthday party. It's just simple eyeshadow with winged liner and a bit of glitter winged liner on top of the liner. So if you want to see how I've achieved this, then please keep watching. So I've already filled in my brows and done my eyeshadow base. It's the same as I always do, so if you're interested in seeing that, then look at my previous video and all the details are in that. But my eyeshadow base is just my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I am doing my eyeshadow first today, and I'm going to take this light brown colour here to begin with, and this is from my Morphe 35O palette. Just using circular motions to blend that in. I'm just going to take this darker brown on a slightly slimmer blending brush and just put that slightly lower down in my crease. Just to make sure they're blended nicer together, I'm going back in with that first colour and using backwards and forwards motions. Then taking a flat brush, taking this same brown here, I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Next I'm going to be doing some winged liner with a felt tip liner. Then next I'll be taking my glitter liner. This one is the Too Faced Glitter Pop. So I'm just going to be taking that above where I've lined my lid. And then I'm just going to let that dry for a couple of minutes. And then when it's pretty much dry, I'm going back in with my black liner just to fix everywhere where I have managed to get the glitter. So that's my eyes done. So next we're going to move on to the face. So I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation and my Too Faced Born This Way foundation on a beauty blender. I'm just mixing them two foundations together as my Fenty Beauty foundation is too dark and my Too Faced Born This Way foundation is too light. For my concealer, I'll just be taking my Sharp. For my concealer, I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You can have some. This beautiful spot can have some. Just blend a bit in on my nose first. Then, just to get close to my eyeliner, I'm just going to be taking a flat brush so I can get it really nice and close without messing it up. And then I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender. I am taking my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder as per usual, and on a smaller beauty blender, just taking it under the eye. I'm just shoving loads of that on my nose and also in my smile lines. Then on a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to be taking the same powder all over my face to set my foundation. Then we're going to bronze and contour. I'm just taking it from the top of my ear down towards my lip. So I'm only taking it halfway, blending it upwards. And then for my bronzer, I'm taking my usual Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer, bronzing my cheeks with that, and also going up onto the forehead. Obviously, this look does not need this much bronzer, but bronzer makes me happy. Hide my pale. Oh my god. Beautiful. So I'm just going to take a tiny little bit of blush from my Naked Urban Decay Flush palette. Just smiling and popping this on the apples of my cheeks and blending this into my bronzer. So for my highlighter today, I'm going to keep the glitter theme and take my Naked Illuminated highlighter. She's beautiful. I'm just going to start by taking this on my cheeks, my cheekbones. Just also going to use my finger, take the fan brush as well. And then taking it on my finger, I will take it in the inner corner of my eye, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow. And then to make sure it's all blended in, I am taking my bronzing brush again, not adding any more bronzer. And just going back everywhere I've bronzed. So for my lips today, I'm going to be lining them with my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and then taking the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Exposed. So to set all my makeup today, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And I am done. So this is my finished makeup look. The glitter liner turns quite a simple eyeshadow and plain winged liner into something a bit fancier. I really enjoyed creating this look. It's turned out really nicely actually. So if you like this look, please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.